Alright, so there it is. Take a look at the damage. Obviously I busted up the pipe. I gotta drill that out. That kind of sucks. This thing's really chewed up underneath. Gotta love this place. Yeah, but the LST's still intact. Obviously chassis ain't cracked. Got suspension working good. I had to end it early because we're having those front wheel drive issues again. See that? That's just because of the wheel. The wheel hub's all worn out and keeps melting. And that's why my backflips at the end sucked. I didn't get any, front wheel drive, and that didn't really help it. And we had some really rough landings. Thankfully the cage underneath kept this cooling head from getting scratched. But I'll go ahead and take off the body. Obviously this might be the last time you'll see it. I have a new body that's pretty much ready to go. Here it is right now. The cap's just gone. This thing's all gone, including the paint. Yeah, glue can't save this, everyone. This is pretty rough. Then here's the truck right here. Looks a lot better with the body off of it. Let's see. You know what? This thing, my cage didn't bend too much from today. If not, maybe just a hair. Just a hair bent. Now I had some really rough landings, so this thing's proven to be pretty tough. I did swap out the 454 for this Mach 2.6. It's a little bit of a downgrade, but this Mach 2.6 is mint. It ran great for us today. Yeah, but I gotta make a new little pipe retainer because that just broke. That's why the pipe's all dented. That kind of sucks. Other than that, the only other damage, don't know how it happened, but I did crack this rim right here. I'll show you right there. You can see that's just separated now. No clue what I did. Maybe it was on one of the backflips I landed wrong. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed those backflips, everyone. That's the first time I ever backflipped this thing. And shout out to Rinks for inspiring me to backflip, because I challenged him to do 20 with this Revo. I could have probably picked a better place to backflip, but I thought about bringing it back to the OG spot. The OG ramp right over there. Well, I got equipped on the LST right now. I got the old school JR. Look at that, 12.9 volts. Freshly charged batteries. I also charged the battery in here. So today was a success. I just had to end it early just because of, I don't want to break this thing too much. But the links are all good. I did replace that link from last time. That's my last one in storage. Gotta go ahead and pick some more up because you know these things. Yeah, but the suspension's dialed in. I'm really liking it how it is. The engine's running real good. Yeah, everyone, so there's the LST for you. Just gonna take one more look at this body. This thing is gross. Definitely had some fun with this thing. Look at that. All right, everyone. I'd just like to thank you so much for watching the video. That'll pretty much be all for today. The LST's taking a beating. I think she says she's all done. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, clean her up, fix all the damage. Not too much damage in today's video. Definitely at the spot, we've had a lot more damage caused. So we actually walked away, pretty good. All right, that's enough talk from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe, and also check out all the videos with the LST. I got so many of them, it's crazy. Also, there'll be new videos with the trophy truck. I'll spoil it right now. I got some new lights on it, so those are looking pretty good. And we also bashed that thing around too. So that'll be all. Thanks so much. Stay tuned, and I'll see you later. Hold on, I'm not done. Update, this just fell off. Yeah, we're having some fun with this body, and the whole entire door just fell off. But I got an idea. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this body up, and this might be a giveaway in the near future. Go ahead and comment down below if you want to see that. Or you can just go unsubscribe because I'm out here giving people junk. All right, that's all I got. See ya.